What's up, rock and rollers? Thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. Once again, this is Carlos. If you have not been able to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and we will rock and roll. So last night, by the way, today is Sunday. It's January 8th. So last night po, the Your Face Sounds Familiar Kids has started. And I am very much excited to react on their performances. So this is my reaction video for... hold on, let me check who it is. Aura Briguela as Mami Junicia Pacquiao. So this is very exciting. So si Aura po, he is the, anong tawag sa kanya? Breakout, child star break, mga ganon. So nasa probinsyano po siya, dun siya na-discover. So this time, nasa Your Face Sounds Familiar Kids po siya. So let's rock and roll, guys.
Carlos TV.
Batang Mami Junicia ang mukha. Anong kakantayin niya? Ginaya niya pati yung boses ni Mami Junicia. Kumakanta siya ng Wrecking Ball. Si Ogie Alcacin nasa ABS-CBN, ha? Hindi ko nakita yung mukha ni Aura dito, ah. Galing ang mga tawag sa, hindi ko alam, prosthetician. Whatever. Yung naglalagay ng prosthetics. Prosthetician. Wow! In fairness, hindi ko nakita yung mukha ni Aura, ha. Pero mukha siyang batang Mami Junicia dito. Always niya, parang si Mami Junicia nga. Parang pag-good vibes na si Aura. Tapos na? Okay, so that was fun. Si Aura po, like what I mentioned, he was discovered in Ang Probinsyano. Pero before that, kasi nung lumalabas na yung, parang nagtitrend ata yung performance niya sa Ang Probinsyano. So, I had the curiosity to check on him on YouTube as well. And I found out na he has some YouTube videos or clips na nakakatawa, na bidyang tumataas yung boses niya, ay tumataas yung kill niya. Gumagano pagkatapos niyang sabihin ng mga bagay-bagay. So I think this one has a really huge potential in the showbiz industry as well. Kasi medyo magaling magpatawa yung batang ito. Palagi niyang kausap si Vice Ganda, by the way. So medyo malaking bagay na parte siya ngayon ng palabas na Ang Probinsyano kasi nagkakaroon siya ng unti-unting pangalan. Napanood ko rin siya sa yung parental guidance ba yun? Or the parental... Basta ganun, yung palabas ni Vice Ganda. So, although hindi ako natuwa masyado sa pelikula overall kasi medyo yung dubbing huli, kasi minadali kasi hindi nga siya nakasama sa MMFF daw. So, yun nga. So far, the performance is very entertaining. I like it.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to Carlos TV Official and to connect with me on the following social media accounts: Facebook, Carlos TV and Caramoan Paradise; Instagram, Carlos TV_official and Caramoan_Kamsur; Twitter, Carlos Solrak 84 and Paraiso Caramoan.